Grow your own crystals. What happens when a solution becomes supersaturated? To find out, try this recipe for making crystals. Safety note: this recipe involves boiling water and borax. Borax is a cleaning substance that can be harmful if swallowed. Please be sure to have a parent or another adult help you. What you need: pipe cleaners, a piece of string about 15 centimeters or 6 inches long, a pencil, boiling water, a wide-mouthed glass jar, a tablespoon, borax, available at a grocery store in the laundry and soap aisle. What you do: number 1, bend your pipe cleaners into any shapes you like. Try making a heart, a moon, a star, or a snowflake. Number 2, tie one end of the string to the top of your shaped pipe cleaner. Number 3, tie the other end of the string to the pencil. Make the string long enough so that the shape will land in the middle of the jar when the pencil is placed across the mouth of the jar. Number 4, ask the adult helping you to pour boiling water into the wide-mouthed jar. Number 5, add 1 tablespoon of borax to the hot water. Stir. Continue to add and stir 1 tablespoon after another. Stop when you see borax beginning to settle on the bottom of the jar. This usually takes about 3 tablespoons of borax for every 240 milliliters or 1 cup of hot water you use. Your borax and water solution is now saturated. Number 6, lower your shape into the solution. Make sure that the entire shape is in the solution, but not touching any part of the jar. Number 7, rest the pencil on the mouth of the jar. Number 8, allow your shape to sit in the solution overnight. Number 9, the next day, remove your shape. It should be covered with thick, sparkling crystals. Hang it in a spot where it can drip dry. Pour the remaining borax solution down the sink. What happens? What's the science behind your crystals? Sometimes crystals form as saturated solutions cool. The amount of solute that can be dissolved in a liquid depends upon 2 things. It depends upon the kind of solute being used and the temperature of the liquid. In general, the higher the temperature, the greater the amount of solute that can be dissolved. But even hot water becomes saturated eventually. When the borax begins to settle on the bottom of the jar, your solution is saturated. That is, the hot water cannot hold any more borax. As the saturated solution cools, it cannot hold as much borax. The borax has to go somewhere. The pipe cleaner provides a surface on which the extra borax can be deposited in the form of crystals. What is borax? Borax is a white mineral. It forms in ancient, dried-up lake beds. It was first used by Arabian gold and silversmiths in the 8th century to clean the surfaces of the metals. They also used borax as a solder, a substance that joins 2 pieces of metal together. The word borax comes from an Arabian word that means to glitter. Today, borax is used as a water softener, cleanser, and antiseptic. It is also used to make fertilizers and medicines.